Today, I have a tip about changing images. When you import a tool, holder, assembly, or fixture into ToolManageriQ from GibbsCam, it'll automatically create a preview picture for you based on what it looks like in GibbsCam. Now you can stick with that because it looks like it should, but if you'd like, you can always replace that image with something else. Anytime while you're importing or after the fact, you can click on the image and browse for a new picture. Select it and press open, and that'll be used instead of the automatically generated one. Now you can use any image you want, so it's up to you, but most customers will use an actual picture of the item or something similar, like you can see in our sample database. And it just adds another level of ease of use and ease of finding what you're looking for. So you can use the filtering, the different comments in the columns, the grouping, and in the end, when you click on that item, you can be secure in seeing the exact thing that you'll be using. And then you can add it into GibbsCam and start programming without missing a beat. If you have any problems with anything that we show you here, feel free to email or call us, and we'd be happy to help you out.